This is one of my all-time favorite dishes. We're doing seared scallops with sherry cream sauce. It is a mouth melter, and I'm so excited to show you guys this one. I'm gonna go ahead and start marinating my scallops. These are dry pack U10 scallops, and they're tender, they're dry. Whenever you get scallops at home, make sure you put them on a sheet pan, get a paper towel, make sure they're dry, because if they're not gonna caramelize well on you. So let's get these in a bowl. Okay, a little Williamson Wines extra virgin olive oil, just a little coat like that. Okay, salt and pepper. Voila. Okay, Aussie fish seasoning. Now this has lemon myrtle in it. There's lemon seasonings in it. It's really citrusy. It's great for doing chipinos, for doing just anything seafood. It has wattle seed in it, which is really unique, really citrusy. Okay, put a little teaspoon on these. Nice. I could smell it from here. Oh, it's delightful. Okay, just gonna give them a little toss. Beautiful. Okay, let's get to cooking. Now the trick to getting beautiful color on your scallops is doing equal parts extra virgin olive oil and butter. And that goes with any fish. You could do it with just oil, but your pan has to be really hot and it starts to smoke. Now, when you do it with just extra virgin olive oil and equal parts butter, you don't need it to get it to that smoking point. It'll caramelize nicely. Okay, let's do this. Drop some oil on this pan, a little tab of butter. That's all. Just want to melt that down. Butter is melted. Let's grab our scallies. Get them in there. Now we want a good sear on them. We don't want to be keep flipping them or touching them. And just let the cooking process do its thing. They've been going for 2 minutes. Flip them around. Color is flavor. Beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and take the scallops out, put them on a sheet pan. Delightful. Okay, beautiful. I'm going to get this in the oven for about 3 to 4 minutes while I do this pan sauce. So there's a little bit of oil left over in that pan. That's okay. We're just going to go like this and just get rid of it. And as you can see, since I did that, I still kept all that flavor in there. 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to grab all my mise en place and my salt and pepper. Here, I'm going to put my shallots in. And it just picks up all that flavor that was stuck on the pans from the scallops. It's delightful. I have my sherry cooking wine right here, another one of my favorite ingredients. Yummy. Going with my chicken stock or veg stock. This is when the flavor really starts to build on this dish. Go with the cream. Absolutely delightful. Okay. And then every step of the way, season it. Great. Now just on low heat, we're just going to bring that down for 3 minutes. And by the time that's done, our scallies should be done, and we're going to plate this wonderful dish that is just packed full of flavor. I am going to add another 1/4 teaspoon of the Aussie seasoning to this because it's getting about there. Boom. Okay. And then just bring it down for another minute or 2 and add a tablespoon of butter. Our scallops been in the oven for about 4 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and pull them out. Our sauce is a minute away before I add the finishing touch, magical butter, and then we're going to plate this wonderful dish. So follow me. Take these scallops out. Oh, look amazing. They have a nice crust on them. They're golden brown, Color is flavor. We're gonna set these down and let them rest. Now that our sauce is there, we're gonna add a tablespoon of butter to it. And this is just gonna nappe it and make it look really nice, give a nice sheen to it, make it stick to everything. And just kind of fold it in, low heat. You could smell the coriander and the wattle seed, amazing. So you didn't miss anything. All I did was I put the scallops in that finished cream sauce. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna plate this delightful, wonderful meal. And what I did was I just steamed some medium-sized couscous. All it is equal parts hot water or veg stock or chicken stock to couscous, really simple. And what's great about this dish is all that cream gets soaked up in this couscous. So super easy to do. Let's go ahead and put a little bit in our mold here. Just gonna plate them around the couscous, like one big happy family. Now I'm gonna add my sherry cream sauce, go heavy all over their scallops, heavy. You want this sauce everywhere. Okay, I have some breadcrumbs you can use if you have old baguette at home or if you want to roast some panko, up to you. But this is a really good vessel to soak up that sauce as well and to give it a little bit of texture. Gonna go with some minced chives and just a couple bâtonnets for hoots and giggles. Boom. This dish is delicate, it's creamy, the sherry's really addicting, the couscous is a food sponge and soaks up all that cream sauce. And what's even better than all that is it goes so well with the wine. I hope you all enjoyed.